So I was shooting my 243 with my other one I got for Christmas. And I'm going to shoot my dad's
AR-15.
AR-15, but we're using a 5.56.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to see if I can hit the first target over there with my dad's gun.
Gun, stop. Grab the gun like you're shooting. Now with your left hand, I want you to use your palm to hit it. There you go. Safety is still on. All right, so get all comfy, get all situated. Good shot. Hit. Hit. Oh, didn't hear it.
I heard it after.
No, you didn't. You missed again. What are you doing, girl? There you go. Get a hold of that thing nice and tight. Hold it, bear hug it. Take your safety off when you're ready. Beautiful shot, sweetie. That was a hit.
Ow.
Now, shooting steel, there's no paper targets to go down range to go check on, huh?
Yeah.
Do you still want to go down there and see if we can find some fresh scratches on there?
Yeah.
All right. Tell everybody we'll be right back.
Be right back, people.
All right, there's our little target that we were shooting at. Stand up next to it. At 100 yards. There's Callie's hits, right?
Can you see some from the back? I got some on that one too, I think.
Good job, big girl. I'm proud of you.
Here, I got.
All right, say.
Here's that weird sound one.
Say later.
Later, the gator.
You good? Comfy? Go for the other ones, to the tree. Just the top three though, okay?
Okay.
Lean over. Yeah. All right, you can go back to the other ones if you want. Oh, what do you do? Pop quiz, what do you do? Drop the mag, other side. Yeah, safety, that's fine. Drop the mag, let it fall. That's okay, don't worry about it. Now pull this thing back 2 fingers. Pull it back as far as you can. Do it like 2-3 times. As far back as you can.
That's it.
All right, I'll do it. That's a heavy one. So what do you think, Callie?
I like mine better. My teacher better.
Your butt.
Ooh, I don't like her. I don't like my mom's gun.
You did good shooting though, sweetie.